What's up, y'all? Welcome back to Carnegie Studios. I'm Chris, and today I want to talk to you guys about something I've covered before that I think is still truly important, and that is why chord inversions matter. And the only point that I'm going to talk about, and I'm going to give you some examples on, is distance. And this matters because you want to stay in the timing and tempo of the song. If it throws you off, then you're going to be scrambling to get back right into the correct time signature, and you'll be scrambling to get back in sync. And so let's take a look at this one chord progression, the 1-6-2-5 chord progression, and let's see why distance matters. So we got the 1-6-2-5. And then back to the 1. So taking my right hand, I can play the root position of all these chords. And this is what it'll look like. Start with the C. Then I got to jump all the way to the A minor, 6. Jump back down to the 2. And then 5. And it's a nice chord progression, but I'm all over the keyboard. I don't want that. So herein come inversions. So let's take our right hand, C major chord. Instead of starting with C at the root position, we'll go to first inversion. And I know it looks like C over E, but I'll include the bass note just for confusion purposes, right? Then I'll play A minor. All I need to do is move this G up a whole step. So that is literally one finger change. Moving up from that C, and I'm playing that G to that A minor. I went from to the A minor. From the A minor, I'll play the D minor, and I can go to root position. That's close enough. And then I can play G. What are all the inversions I played of these triads? Let's take a look at it. So I went from C, first inversion, to A. This is second inversion. So, and I'm playing it down here. Then 1-6-2, I played D major or D minor in the root position, and then I went to G in the second inversion as well. So G root position, first inversion, second inversion, and I played it down. Right, that's G second inversion. So those are closer together than my original 1-6-2-5. I went from that to this. Literally, it's just a couple of changes of my fingers, and I'm there. We can play it a little bit more full with the bass note. Adding that right there. You can't play the D minor 7 or double up on playing the D up there, up top, and then to G. So that's what that looks like. Let's do another inversion, right? 1-6-2-5, but instead of with the first inversion, I'll start with second inversion on C. So we'll do this. Second inversion C. Then I'll go up a whole step from this G to the A. Literally A minor. So second inversion C to root position A minor. I'll take C in that root position and E and I'll go up a half step with E, up a whole step with C, D minor. So what is that? Second inversion. So I can go either way from here, from playing this D minor chord. I can go down and play G, root position, or I can play second inversion, or first inversion. That's what I meant. Either way, I've shortened the distance, right? Putting it back, we've got second inversion C, root position A minor, second inversion D minor, and then we got root position G or first inversion G major. That's the second type of way I've shortened the distance of what I've been able to play. All right. Now, we did second inversion with C. We did first inversion. We did second inversion. Let's try a root position. So let's do it. C major in the root position. I can play C major here. All I'll need to do is take G, go up a whole step, and I've got A minor. So literally C, up a whole step from that G, A minor, that's 6. The 2 literally is moving the C up to a D and E up to F. 2, and then 5, we're basically right there. We can do this. Go F to G and A to B, and we're here. Second inversion of the G major. There you have it. I took a chord progression, 1, 6, 2, 5 chord progression, and I used chord inversions to be able to shorten the distance between the chords that I played, and it helped out tremendously. This is one of my most important factors, distance, so I can stay in timing and tempo. But what else did you hear? You heard different voicings. You heard different types of emotions that were evoked from the type of chord inversion that I played, which was a different type of voicing. And finally, practicing inversions gives you a lot of options from what seems like little options. You're playing triads, you're playing minor chords and major chords, right? We haven't even added the sevenths, but the inversions change the game already on a basic beginner level. And that's the joy of it. Learning those inversions unlocks a lot, but most importantly, for me, is it helps with the distance. What chords am I playing? How fast can I get to the next chord? Thanks guys for watching. I hope you found value in this. Please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.